how to fix Roblox auto quitting or closing by itself. So what we need to do is open up our computer search. Here, search for run, left click on it, and what we're going to do is type this command: %local app data %. Press enter and it should take us to this folder. Now here, left click on any folder and type R, so we are able to locate the Roblox folder. Find the Roblox folder, and basically it just contains unnecessary files that might cause issues, temporary files. So what we want to do is right click and delete this Roblox folder. Now see if this works for you. If you're still getting the issue, open up your computer search for Roblox player, right click, open file location. Now right click on the Roblox player, open file location, and here first left click on the Roblox player launcher. This will essentially just verify that we have successfully installed Roblox. Then right click on Roblox player beta, properties, compatibility, and check these options that I have here. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Check those, click on apply, click on OK, and you should be good to go. Leave a like and sub if this worked, and I'll see you next time.